Jody here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Coming today, going to talk to you about the Grady-White Freedom 375. This is the flagship of the Freedom line the Grady-White offers. It's a beautiful Cape Gray color, accented with the cream color that's known with the Grady-White. That is not done by accident, just for styling. It's scientifically proven that a bright white hull offshore for a long period of time is very harmful to your eyes. Grady-White incorporates that in their color schemes for your protection as well as the aesthetics of the boat. If you'll notice that this boat is equipped, as all Grady-Whites are, with the CB2 hull, which is a transitional hull that starts around 50 degrees, 55 degrees in the bow, gives you a sharp, deep attack on the wave. As it comes back to midship, your comfortable ride is going to be at about 30 degrees beam, and it's going to taper back to 20 degrees in the transom that gives you that soft landing. So when you're riding on a Grady-White, you can expect a great, comfortable ride that Grady-White is known for. If you notice, we have the huge boarding door that also helps you get your fish in. This is an extremely versatile boat. It's a super offshore fishing boat as well as an entertainer. Let's walk around the back and see what it's powered with. Powered with not one, not two, but three 425 V8 5.6 liter XTO Yamahas. You'll notice all the hardware on the Grady-White is 316 stainless. It's overkill. Everything they do on the Grady-White is just built to last. That's why your resale value on a Grady-White is as good as it is. Got underwater lighting that's come aboard. Take a look at some of the features inside. Very sturdy, deep boarding ladder. Your boarding door, you'll notice all your electrical plugs here, how heavy your hinges are. That's on every Grady-White made. Here you have the quick, easy flush system to keep your engines in top shape. Your battery panels and all your circuit breakers to power it up. Grady-White also incorporates the tow rail for fishing with a nice combing pattern for fighting that fish. If you notice right here, you have two water ports. It's for your fresh water shower, keep sprayed down, wash your fish down. It's also hot and cold water. Notice here you have a 30-gallon deep blue live well that has the full plenum that circulates your water all the way from your water column, keeps your bait fresh and alive. You have a 208-quart fish box. Not only is it a fish box, it's also a freezer and refrigerated. That keeps you from having to just stock up with ice and it melts, and you can turn the generator on, freeze what you need to freeze, cuts down on all the water that drains over. Another great feature of a Grady-White is all of your lockers discharge from above the deck, which means none of the debris from your fish or anything gets down in your bilge, creates issues with that as far as smell and all. It all goes straight overboard. Got two separate dividers to keep your drinks on one side, your fish on one side. It's just very versatile. Again, all the hinges, all the latches are top quality. Very easy to convert to fish mode, to entertainment mode. Come in midship. You have an electric grill, so when you catch that first snapper of the season, it goes straight from the water, straight to the grill. Korean countertops, stainless steel sink, refrigerator. Another great feature is this power seat. Also converts into a lounger. Tons of storage. As we come up to the helm, again, a huge locker for storage. You have an adjustable, a removable table here, so you can have a settee here, along with a lounger. Extra storage. drop-down television, fusion stereo system. This keeps your phone out of the heat, fully charged at all times. You have the remote here, as well as the helm. Coming over to the helm, we have bow thrusters. We have the Yamaha joystick control with point, super smooth electronic shifters. We have underwater lights, spreader lights that change color. All your bilge switches, these are top quality switches and circuit breakers. All Grady-Whites come with Captain Grady app that tells you every component with your boat. Yamaha smart gauges. Comes with the V2 hull sunroof. You have a shade. You can open the sunroof and just have a screen. Kick back and have the convertible top and have it opened up. If we come over here to port, we have a lounger cabin that has a power berth that slides back and forth, so it gives you a nice seating area in here and converts to a bed when you want to overnight. Also has a back compartment back there for another berth. Television, all your controls for your air conditioning. Another beautiful thing about this boat is it's got a full wraparound enclosure. You pump this full of air conditioning, you'll be out there fishing, you want to get in from the heat, you come in here. Got this is all nice air conditioned, as well as air conditioned cabin. Starboard, you have a very spacious head shower combo. It's got the Dometic toilet, stainless steel sink, all your gauges, circuitry in here, along with a microwave, trash receptacle, plenty of storage for your clothes. It's a great, great go fishing overnight weekend boat. Full windshield closes up. You have an air dam. As we come forward, you'll notice that we've got two tables. One's in table mode and one's in lounge mode. Both of these will retract down to give you an extra wide layout pad, or you convert it up into a berth. Fusion stereo speakers all throughout. You have the anchor windlass, with the controls on the bow, as well as the helm. I like to refer to that as a marriage saver. Wash down here to get any of the dirt, debris off of your anchor system that keeps it from going into your bilge. Grady-White has thought about everything on this boat. It's a great boat. It needs a home. It would look great in your yard or on your dock. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, 850-708-1317. Come see me.